Welcome back. Cooking with Neighbors. This is I, Jerri-ellen. Today, we are going to make battered fish. Okay? I'd say fish and chips, but I'm just showing you not the chip part, showing you the fish part.
Cool.
Today's Casey's birthday, and it's Good Friday. I don't know when this video is going to get posted because there's some collaborations that we're doing first, and then we're going to post this one. But today is Casey's birthday. Happy birthday, Casey. He's 24 today. My baby is 24. So anywho, let's get started. I have a bowl. And to this bowl, I am adding, this is 1 cup of all-purpose flour. This is a half a cup of cornstarch or corn flour, whatever you want to call it. A half a teaspoon of chili powder. This is 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I also put a little bit of salt in with my flours, like salt to taste. This is 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And this is a teaspoon of baking powder. Okay. I'm going to whisk just to incorporate it. Now I'm going to add, this is some vinegar. That's going to help the batter make a flaky, crispy crust. Okay. I'm going to add water to the cold water to this until it gets to like a thick-ish, pancake-ish kind of batter. I'm going to add my vinegar to it as well. It's probably about a tablespoon actually, vinegar. See a nice color? Smell, Case. Smells good, eh? There is a friend of mine. His name is Andrew, at Andrew Simply Cooking, or Andrew Simple Cooking. I can't talk right today, guys. Andrew made a beautiful fish and chips. He is in England. He knows what he's doing too, or more so than I do probably, no doubt. I'm going to leave a link to Andrew's page. Go over and watch his fish and chip video. It's awesome. So you want me to show you the consistency?
Yeah, it looks like pancake.
Yeah. You can make this a little thicker, but it thins out when we put our fish in it, because our fish is, even though I've dried it off and that, it's a little wet. Use whatever fish you want. Now I'm going to show you how we do it here. I have a cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch, and salt and pepper to taste. And now I'm putting, I like putting the the starch because it just helps with some light crispiness. Now tap off the excess. My oil is heated to 350. I used to work in a fish and chip shop for like 7 years. It's kind of nice too if you want some extra like crispy bits on it. You can put it back in the flour and then put it in. And then you lay it away from you. Your fish will start to sound quiet. It'll sound kind of louder when it starts frying, and then the oil starts to get nice and quiet, and then you know that it's ready to take out. Okay, I'm going to show you guys when you're dropping it in the oil, so that it doesn't stick to your net or your basket, or be less likely to. This I'll show you one sec. Gotta get room. When you're dropping it in, I put in the flour, dressing batter, put it in the flour. When you're putting it in, just wait a few seconds, wiggle it a little bit, and then it won't stick to your basket. Just slowly when you're dropping it, kind of wait a few seconds and move it, wait a few seconds, move it, and then drop it in, and then it won't stick to your basket on you. And when you do that double dredging kind of thing, oh man, crispy bits, the bomb. See how that didn't stick to the basket? Because you kind of just slowly put it in. And flip it halfway through, kind of thing, halfway through the cooking. It'll take a good 5-7 minutes, like I say. Even longer if your fish is bigger. Mine are quite thin. Ooh, I'm going to turn it back on because I want to make some fries. Okay, guys. We decided to do this video like on the fly, so I don't have pretty lemons all sliced up and tartar sauce made and all that, but we just wanted to show you what we were doing. Casey's birthday, Good Friday. Doing up a bit of a fish fry here.
Is it good? Is it too hot?
No, I'm just showing you the crunch.
Oh my gosh. It's crunchy.
It's crunchy. It's crispy, goodness. And it's not like a heavy batter. It's nice and light. Very light batter with crispiness. And like I say, internal temperature 145. So it might take you 5 minutes, might take you 8 minutes to cook it. It might take you longer. It just depends on the type of fish and how large it is. But by doing that flour twice, look at all the little crispy bits. So good. I love it. And I love you guys. Thank you for being here. We're going to go and enjoy some ice cream cake that we made and fish and chips and having a good day. And I hope you guys are all having a good day and enjoying life. And keep safe. Keep a good heart. God bless. Peace.